In this video, we are going to learn how to play the crossout game in the intermediate phase with 3 dice. The following materials will be required for this game. You will need 3 dice, something to write with, and something to write on. The purpose of this game is to assist learners in mastering addition and subsequent multiplication of numbers. It will also assist in identifying patterns and how to work with dice and adding and multiplying the numbers from the dice. We're now going to discuss how to play the game and show you how this game, which can have between 2 and 4 learners, is played with 2 learners. First, the learner has to write down their name on the top of a piece of paper, and then they need to put all the numbers that are in your worksheet onto that piece of paper, spaced apart so that it is easy to cross them out once you get the answers. Now we are ready to start playing the game. Learner 1 will be the first player to play and will pick up the dice and will throw the dice and see what 3 numbers they will get. In this instance, they get 3 ones, which is quite unusual. And there is only one combination that you can get with 3 ones, that is 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2, and that is multiplied by 1, which gives us 2. So you can see there we've added the 2 ones, and then we've multiplied it by the sum of those 2 ones. There's now the chance of learner 2 to play for the first time. Learner 2 throws 2 2s and a 4. Learner 2 has decided to take 2 plus 4, which equals 6, and then multiply that by 2, which will give learner 2 12. Learner 2 crosses the 12 off their sheet. We are now going to see another 2 turns, one for learner 1 and one for learner 2, before we move further into the game. Learner 1 throws again and throws a 6, a 4 and a 2. Learner 1 has decided to go with a 6 plus a 4 to give learner 1 10, and multiply that 10 by 2 to give learner 1 20. That 20 is then crossed off on learner 1's sheet, and they now have 2 numbers that they are able to cross off. Learner 2 will now have their second turn. Learner 2 throws the dice, and learner 2 gets 2 3s and a 6. Learner 2 decides to go with the 3 plus 3, which is equal to 6, and then multiplies that by 6 to give them 36. Learner 2 now crosses 36 off on their sheet. We have now moved further into the game, and learner 1 needs a 12 and learner 2 needs a 20 to win the game. Learner 1 has thrown a 5, a 4 and a 1, and we are now going to look at a number of combinations for 5, 4 and 1. Learner 1 needs 12 and is not going to get 12 from this particular combination. The first combination they can get is 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 5 times 5 is 25. The second combination that we are going to look at is where we take a 1 plus a 5 to give us 6, and then that answer of 6 times 4 will give us 24. So we now have 2 different answers for this particular group of numbers. The last option is 5 plus 4 equals 9. It could also be 4 plus 5 equals 9, and then 9 times 1 is equal to 9. Therefore, learner 1 cannot cross 12 off on their sheet. Now let's see who can win the game. It is now learner 2's turn. Learner 2 throws a 6 and 2 4s. 6 and 2 fours is not going to give them a total of 20. Learner 1 throws 2 ones and a 6. Learner 1 puts the 1 plus a 1, which is going to be equal to 2, and then multiplies that by 6 to give them 12. Learner 1 is then the winner of the game. They have managed to get the final combination to equal the last number on their sheet. Learner 1 is the Timka champion. We hope that you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more, please visit our website www.timka.org or our YouTube channel, Timka Global. Thanks for watching.